Hi, I'm Diesel11, and today, I'm going to smash Brazil's stove with a sledgehammer. Hot, 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 hot. Yes, I smashed Brazil's stove with a sledgehammer. Yes, I smashed Brazil's stove with a sledgehammer. Oh, it's Brazil. I'm in big trouble right now.
Oh, my freaking God. Diesel11. I cannot believe you used your sledgehammer and smashed my stove into smithereens. My stove costs $400. Now I have to get a new stove all thanks to you. That's it. Go home right now. I'm calling Serto from Hat.
Diesel11. Are you crazy or something? I cannot believe you smashed Brazil's stove with a sledgehammer. His stove costed $400. Now he has to get a new one all thanks to you. You have caused the confusion and delay. And because of this, you are grounded for 18 days. Go to your shed right now, or else I will send you the turkey.
Laura.